Hello Texas City ISD, this is Dr. Mike Thomas presenting to you how to back up your files using OneDrive. The first thing we'll do is open our File Explorer, which is the icon on your taskbar that looks like a file folder. Next, we will open a browser. If the browser is already on Texas City ISD, that's fine. If not, go to www.tcisd.org. Once there, you will hover over Employees and then select Office 365. If you've logged in before, you will see your name or email address already populated here. If not, you simply follow the prompts using your full email address and your password like you would normally log into the computer. Once you have entered your password, simply click Sign In. After you have successfully logged into Office 365, you will be taken to your tenant. This is also known as the dashboard. If you land on the tenant like you see here, you will click OneDrive here. If your tenant has mail up first, click on the waffle, and you can also select OneDrive from here. So if you notice, you can select OneDrive from this location, from the waffle, or from the main dashboard. I'm going to use the main dashboard. Once my OneDrive opens, for those of you that have been using OneDrive, you will see a list of files and folders already populated into your OneDrive folder. For those of you new to OneDrive, yours will be blank, very similar to what I have here. We will now create a new folder. Click on New and then Folder. This folder will be called PC Backup. Click Create. Now notice the folder is created in your OneDrive directory. Open your PC Backup folder and notice there are no files. Make the window smaller and at the very top, click and drag the window to the far left. Notice it snapped into place and filling up the left half of the screen. Notice on the right, you will see your File Explorer already open. Simply click on it and it will populate the right half of the screen. If you read the directions where it says this folder is empty, it tells you drag files here to upload them to OneDrive. You can also add files to this folder using the OneDrive app for your computer. This example, we're simply going to click and drag from our computer to the OneDrive. I will go to my documents and using a sample folder, you can see that I have a combination of both folders and files in this particular location. This may look like your desktop, it may look like your documents folder, it might even look like your P drive. How do I select multiple files to drag at one time? There's two different options. The first thing I can do is click one and then the Control key and select Random Files. Notice that only those that I'm clicking on are selected. What if you want to back them all up? All you have to do is click the first one that you want backed up, hold the Shift key down and click the last one, and notice now they're all selected. You choose which method is best. If you want simple selected files, randomly use the Control key. If you want all the files, select the first one, hold the Shift down, and then select the last one, and all files will be selected. Once you've done that, you simply click and drag those files over into the PC Backup folder. Notice that at the very top of the screen, it will tell you how many items are uploading. Once those uploaded items have finished, these blue synchronization arrows will stop moving. That indicates that all of your files have now been backed up from your computer to your OneDrive. You have successfully completed the task of backing up your files, and after the computer that you're using now leaves the district this summer, when they get replaced, you will no longer have to worry about those files that were on the computer not being backed up. You also have access to all of these files in your OneDrive directory 24/7, 365. They're available to you at home, at work, anywhere you have internet access. Also, when you return, for next school year, those files will remain in your Office 365 OneDrive, and you will still have them for use for next year with no loss of files or folders. Thanks, and have a great day.